Hey kids, come close, let's play a game. I'll ask some questions, guess the name. Who says moo and gives us milk so white? It's the happy cow, both day and night. Who says quack and waddles by the lake? It's the little duck, with a splash it makes. Who says ba and wears a woolly coat? It's the fluffy sheep, on the hill it'll float. Who says woof and loves to fetch a ball? It's the friendly dog, the best friend of all. Who says meow and purrs when it's near? It's the cozy cat, with a tail so dear. Who says ribbit and hops on the ground? It's the green frog, with the croaking sound. Who says cock-a-doodle-doo at the break of day? It's the proud rooster, to wake us hooray. Who says oink and rolls in the mud? It's the playful pig, having so much fun. Who says neigh and gallops so fast? It's the mighty horse, running past the grass. Who says hoot in the moonlit night? It's the wise old owl, with eyes so bright. Who says buzz and flies all around? It's the busy bee, making honey sound. Who says gobble and struts with pride? It's the turkey with feathers so wide. Who says roar in the jungle so deep? It's the mighty lion, the king of the keep. Who says chatter and swings in the trees? It's the playful monkey, dancing in the breeze. Now clap your hands and stomp your feet. You guessed them all, what a fun little treat.